Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my 14th lesson of D2, chapter number 2, exercise 2E, that is about solving simultaneous linear equations. Substitution method. In this lesson, I will solve intermediate level question number 8. Question 8 says, use substitution method to solve each of the following pairs of simultaneous equations. Let me read the question from the book and compare the question. D part is 9x plus 2y equals to 5 and 7x minus 3y equals to 13. It's really important to compare the question with the original question before solving, so that if there is some mistake in the question, we can correct that in the beginning. As the question says that we have to solve the question with substitution method, so from both the equations, I have to make the suitable letter the subject of formula. If I'm looking at equation 1, okay, equation 1 is 9x plus 2y equals to 5. And now from this equation, I'm making y the subject of formula. Okay, and equation will take the form 2y equals to, is your choice. You can make any one of the letter the subject of formula. 5 minus 9x, or y will be equal to 5 minus 9x by 2. Now let me block this answer because we have to use this answer in the further simplifications and calculations. Okay, now what I have to do, I have to replace value of y in the second equation. Let me give the numbers to equations so that you can understand which one is equation 1 and which is equation 2. Replace a in equation 2. In equation 2, it's always good to give such references, okay, so that examiner can understand you're working well. So equation 2 can take the form 7x minus 3y equals to 13. Instead of y, I have to replace 5 minus 9x by 2 equals to 13. Now what I have to do, I have to multiply this 3 carefully with every term inside the bracket, and there is a minus sign as well, so we have to take care of that as well. So the equation will take the form 7x minus, this is minus 15, okay, because both of the fractions are not having the same denominator, so I have to be careful, plus minus 15 and plus 9 3s are 27x by 2 equals to 13. Now what I have to do, I have to take the LCM of 2 and 1 because 7x has the denominator 1, so the LCM will be 2, and equation will take the form 2 how many times is 7, 14x, and here the denominator and LCM is same, so I'm not going to multiply this fraction with any number, so the numerator will be coming as it is, minus 15 plus 27x equals to 13. Now shift this 2 to other side, and equation will take the form 14x plus 27x, they are the like terms, so I have to write them together, plus 27x minus 15. Now shift 2 to the other side, and 13 multiplied by 2 will give me 26. Now add up the like terms, 27 plus 14, 7 plus 4 is 11, and 2 plus 1 3 and 1 4 is 41, and shift 15 to other side, 26 plus 15, 20, add up 26 and 15, 6 and 5 11, 2 and 1 3 and 1 4, so 41x equals to 41. So x equals to 41 by 41. 41 1 times will give me 41, so x equals to 1. So the value of one of the variable is x equals to 1, in order to get value of the second variable, replace x equals to 1 in A. So the equation will take the form y equals to 5 minus 9x by 2. As x is 1, so 5 minus 9 times 1 upon 2, or y equals to 5 minus 9 upon 2. 5 minus 9 is minus 4 by 2. 2 ones are and 2 2s are. So the value of y is minus 2. So the solution for this question is x equals to 1 and y equals to minus 2. I hope you are clear about this question, and let's move to the next question and first read the question and compare the question with book. E part of the question is 2y minus 5x equals to 25 and 4x plus 3y equals to 3. Okay, now as we have to solve the question with substitution method, so I have to make any one of the letters from both the equations the subject of formula. If I'm taking equation 1, that is 2y minus 5x equals to 25, and from this equation I'm making y the subject of formula, so I will be keeping y terms on the same side, and 2y equals to 25 plus 5x. And now in order to get value of y, I have to shift this 2 to other side, and equation will take the form y equals to 25 plus 5x by 2. And let me block this relation, okay, and give some name to this, because we can use and we have to use this equation in further calculations. Let it be A. Now what I have to do, I have to take the second equation, that is 4x plus 3y equals to 3, and replace the value of y over there. So I have to give the information to examiner that I'm replacing A in equation 2 in equation 2. So the equation 2 will take the form 4x plus 3 into y has the value 25 plus 5x by 2 equals to 3. Carefully apply distributive property that multiply this 3 with every term inside the bracket, and equation will take the form 4x plus 3. 25 times 3 is 75 plus 5 3s is 15x upon 2 equals to 3. Now I have to take the LCM, and LCM will be 2. So first denominator is 1 and LCM is 2. 1 how many times is 2? That is 2. So 2 will be multiplied by 4x and it will give me 8x. Plus here the denominator and LCM is same, so numerator will be coming as it is. 75 plus 15x equals to 3. Shift 2 to other side, so it will become, equation will take the form 8x plus 15x plus 75 equals to 6. Shift 75 to other side, and 15 plus 5 is 20, and 323x equals to 6 minus 75, and take away 75 from 6. 6 minus 75, that will give me 69 with negative sign. So 23x will be equal to minus 69. In order to get value of x, I have to shift this 23 to other side. So x will be equal to 69 by 23. And when I'm dividing 69 by 23, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, x equals to minus 3. This is the value of one of the variables. Now what I have to do in order to get value of the other variable, replace x equals to minus 3, replace x equals to minus 3 in A. So equation will take the form y is equal to 25 plus 5x by 2, and x has to be replaced by minus 3. 25 plus 5 into minus 3 upon 2, y equals to 25 minus 15 by 2, 5 minus 5 is 0, and y equals to 10 by 2, and 2 ones are and 2 fives are. So value of the second variable that is in the question is y is 5. So the solution for this question is x equals to minus 3 and y equals to 5. I hope you are clear about this question, and let's move to the next question. And the next question is, let me first read and compare the question with the book. F part is 3x minus 5y equals to 7 and 4x minus 3y equals to 3. Equations are correct. And now let's move to the solution of this question. Let me mark this equation as equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now what we have to do, we have to solve the question by substitution method. So I have to make any one of the letters from any one of the equations the subject of formula. Okay. Let me take equation 1 first, and equation is 3x minus 5y equals to 7. I will make x the subject of formula. I'll be shifting this 5y to other side, and equation will take the form 3x equals to 7 plus 5y. And now to make x the subject of formula, this 3 is extra. I have to shift it. I have to divide 7 plus 5y by 3, and this is here we are getting x the subject of formula. Now let me block this answer and give some name to this. Let it be A. Now what I have to do, I have to replace value of x, that is 7 plus 5y by 3 in equation 2. I have to give the reference that replace A in equation 2. So the equation 2 will take the form 4x minus 3y equals to 3. And now 4 into 7 plus 5 by 3 minus 3y equals to 3. Now apply distributive property carefully, that we have to multiply this 4 with every term inside the bracket, and equation will take the form 28 plus 5 fours are 20y upon 3 minus 3y equals to 3. Now first of all, in order to get value of y, I have to take the LCM, and LCM will be 3. Now LCM and denominator are same, so numerator will be coming as it is, 28 plus 20y minus 9y equals to 3. Shift 3 to other side, and equation will take the form 20y minus 9y plus 28 equals to 9. Shift 28 to other side, and when I'm taking 9 from 20, that will be 11y equals to 9 minus 28. And when I'm taking away 28 minus 9, 19, 11y equals to 19, y equals to 19 by 11, or I can shift this number in form of the mixed number, 19 divided by 11, 11 ones are 11, and it will give me my 1 whole 8 by 11, y equals to 1 whole 8 by 11. Okay, now if we look at 28, it is bigger, so minus, and minus. So value of y will be y equals to minus 1 whole 8 by 11. Now what I have to do, in order to get the value of the other variable, which is x, we will replace y equals to minus 19 by 11 or minus 1 whole 8 by 11 in A. So equation will take the form x equals to 7 plus 5y by 3, or here I have to replace y by minus 19 by 11, x plus 5 into minus 19 by 11 upon 3. I have to take the LCM in the numerator. So the equation will take the form x equals to, this is the main denominator 3 and 11 is the LCM. This is 11 times 7 is 77 minus 95. Okay, and the equation will take the form 77 minus 95. 77 minus 95 is minus 18. Minus 18 upon 11 into 3. 3 ones are and 3 6 are. So the value of x will be 6. 1 time 11 is 11 minus 6 by 11. So the solutions of this equation and the values are x equals to minus 6 by 11 and y equals to minus 19 by 11 or minus 1 whole 8 by 11. I hope you are clear about this lesson. For next difficulty level, please catch me in the next class. Watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.